Hello everyone. I welcome you all in today's session where we'll be learning about what is price elasticity of demand. See, elasticity, if I go by the just meaning of elasticity in layman language, elasticity means responsiveness. क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहेगा किसका डिमांड का किसकी वजह से प्राइस की वजह से it is what we are going to learn in this chapter, that is price elasticity of demand. The concept of elasticity of demand was developed to measure the magnitude of change in the quantity demanded. For example, according to law of demand, the quantity of cars demanded will increase due to fall in its price. है ना, ये हमने पढ़ा था. Because कार की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड, फाइन, इट विल इंक्रीज अगर कार की प्राइस फॉल हो जाती है तो. अब ये डिमांड जो है वो कितना बढ़ेगी, कितने परसेंट प्राइस डिक्रीज हो तो कितना परसेंट डिमांड इंक्रीज होगी, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, हमने लॉ ऑफ डिमांड में ये तो पढ़ लिया था कि क्वांटिटी ऑफ डिमांड ऑफ योर कार will increase, quantity of cars demanded will increase. क्यों? क्योंकि because there is a fall in the prices. अब बेटा कितना परसेंट प्राइस में फॉल हो कार्स के और कितना परसेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ कार्स डिमांडेड में इंक्रीज होगा, दिस इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. जब हमने लॉ ऑफ डिमांड पढ़ा था, it does not indicate by how much quantity demanded of cars will increase. In such case, the concept of elasticity of demand becomes important as it helps in knowing how much, kitna percent, again I'll repeat, kitna percent fall in price होगा और उसकी वजह से कितना परसेंट क्वांटिटी ऑफ कार्स डिमांडेड इंक्रीज होगा. This is what we are going to learn in elasticity of demand. So let's learn about the concept of price elasticity of demand. It is defined as a measurement of percentage change in quantity demanded in response to percentage change in its own price of the commodity. If you see the formula is price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Now let's learn how to calculate the price elasticity of demand with the help of a numerical example. Suppose the price of ice cream is rupees 4 per cup. The price of ice cream is rupees 4 per cup. That means the initial price, that is P0, is rupees 4 per cup. Fine. And the demand is for 1 cup. So the Q0 at price 4 per cup, the quantity demanded is 1, only 1 cup. If the price of the ice cream falls to rupees 2 per cup, that means price P1 has been fall to rupees 2 per cup, demand increases to 4 cups. Q1 demand increases to 4 cups. So Q1 is 4 cup. Find the elasticity of demand. Now with the help of this example, let's learn the concept of price elasticity of demand. We have just now said, see, this is the notation for price elasticity of demand. E, small e and then small d ऐसे नीचे की तरफ. हमने क्या बोला? It is calculated by percentage change in quantity demanded, percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in prices of the goods. Now percentage change in quantity demanded, how will we calculate? परसेंटेज निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, पहले दिस इज Q1, the quantity changed quantity, and this is Q0, this is initial quantity. तो मुझे अगर चेंज निकालना है कि चेंज कितना आया, सो चेंज इन क्वांटिटी दैट इज डेल्टा Q is given by Q1 minus Q0. चेंज जब भी आता है, चेंज डेल्टा Q is given by Q1 minus Q0, and Q1 minus Q0 is चेंज कितना हुआ, 4 units minus 1 which is equal to 3 cups of ice cream जो है increase हो गए थे because of fall in the price. तो change in Q is 3, और अगर मैं change in P निकालना चाहूँ, what is change in P, price में कितना change आया, this is given by P1 minus P0. P1 is 2, this is the change price, and the initial price is 4 minus 4, so change in P is minus 2. Fine, change in P is minus 2, change in Q is 3, change in P is minus 2. अब मेरे को जो फॉर्मूला में क्या देना है, इलास्टिसिटी निकालने के लिए परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड. तो परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड कैसे निकलेगा बेटा, चेंज इन Q अपॉन इनिशियल क्वांटिटी इंटू 100 करूंगी तभी परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट होगा. चेंज इन Q अपॉन इनिशियल क्वांटिटी इंटू 100, एंड परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा, चेंज इन P अपॉन इनिशियल प्राइस इंटू 100. फाइन. So let's substitute the values. If I'm going to substitute the value, what will I get? The price elasticity of demand. Change in Q is 3 upon initial Q1 into 100 divided by percentage change in price. Change in P is minus 2 upon initial P is 4 into 100. फाइन. सो 100 से 100 यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया बेटा, और अगर मेरे को इसको सॉल्व करना है, फाइन, तो आई टेक दी denominator. If I take it in the numerator, so I'm going to take the reciprocal of it. So elasticity of demand is given by 3 upon 1 into, let's take the reciprocal of it, 4 upon minus 2. So if I'll solve it, it is 2, it's minus 2, 2 into 3 minus 6. Now see, we know that there is going to be an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. So always the price elasticity of demand will be a negative figure, but whenever we write the answer, we ignore this negative sign and we'll write elasticity of demand as 6. That means that there is going to be a 6% change in quantity demanded due to change in the prices. 1% change in price, 6% change is there in the quantity demanded. I hope that this concept of elasticity of demand is clear to all of you. So you can see on your screen the solution which we have solved on the board is here in front of your screen. The elasticity of demand is 6. It implies that 1% fall in own price of the commodity causes 6% rise in its quantity demanded. This is how we are going to infer the result of elasticity of demand, and this method is known as proportionate or percentage method of calculating price elasticity of demand. Now let's come back to the derivation of the formula. See, P0 was the initial price, Q0 was initial quantity demanded, P1 changed price, and Q1 is changed quantity demanded. We saw that elasticity of demand is calculated by dividing percentage change in quantity demanded by your percentage change in own price of the commodity. So percentage change in quantity demanded is given by change in quantity, and we had already discussed that change in quantity is nothing but Q1 minus Q0 upon initial quantity into 100. Fine. Then your change in price is given by P1 minus P0. So let's substitute these over here. Percentage change in own price is given by change in P upon P0 into 100. Fine. Now if I solve it, 100 and 100 is cancel out. So which implies elasticity of demand is given by change in Q upon Q0, that is initial quantity. Then again I'll take the reciprocal of it, multiply by initial price upon change in P. And then the formula for calculating elasticity of demand will be change in Q upon change in P into initial P upon initial Q. Now this is the formula which we are going to use for calculation of elasticity of demand all through the chapter. Okay, let's understand one more formula of price elasticity of demand. Now you see, this is the demand curve, right? When we plot this graph, on x-axis we are going to show quantity demanded, and on y-axis we are going to represent the price. Now if I want to know that what is the slope of this demand curve, slope of demand curve, DD, demand curve. See, we know that slope is at any point on this straight line curve is given by change in y upon change in x, change in y upon change in x. Now change on y-axis we are representing price, so change in price upon change in x. On x-axis we are representing the quantity. So the slope of the demand curve is given by change in P upon change in Q. We have just now seen that elasticity of demand, the formula which we calculated was change in Q upon change in P into P upon Q. Now see, this slope of demand curve is change in P upon Q, and in the formula we are using the fraction as change in Q upon change in P. So if I take the reciprocal of this is my first equation, fine. If I take the reciprocal of first equation, reciprocal of equation 1, I will get, see, slope of demand curve means, if I take the reciprocal, so 1 upon slope of demand curve, and if I take the reciprocal, I'll get change in Q upon change in P. Now, can I substitute this value change in Q upon change in P over here in price elasticity of demand? So change in Q upon change in P can be substituted by 1 upon slope of demand curve, slope of demand curve into P upon Q. So this is another formula for calculating elasticity of demand, and sometimes this may be asked as a straight away derivation. आपसे derivation के फॉर्म में भी पूछा जा सकता है, तो आप इसको इस तरीके से सॉल्व करके you can derive it कि elasticity of demand is given by 1 upon slope of the demand curve into P upon Q. Have you understood? So the question can be asked in this form, given the fact that the slope of the straight line demand curve is change upon P upon change upon Q, how do you relate it to own price elasticity of demand? So this is how we are going to derive it. We know that price elasticity of demand is change in Q upon change in P into P upon Q. And given the fact slope of the demand curve is change in P upon change in Q. So if I take the reciprocal of it, that means I'm taking the reciprocal of 1 upon slope of demand curve, that will replace this change in Q upon change in P into P upon Q. This is how we are going to present our answer. Hope this question and the presentation of answer is clear to all of you. The next type of question you can see on the screen. The price elasticity of demand for a good is minus 0.4. That means here now in this question, elasticity of demand is given to us. If its price increases by 5%, that means the denominator percentage change in price is also given to us as 5. By what percentage will its demand fall? Calculate. And we know that price elasticity of demand is given by percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. We'll substitute the value. Price elasticity of demand given to me as 0.4. And we all see, whenever we write the elasticity, we ignore the sign. Reason being, we always know that the price elasticity of demand, the quantity demanded is inversely related to its price. So definitely, if the prices are increasing by 5%, then quantity demanded will definitely be fall. So when we substitute the value, price elasticity of demand 0.4 is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded, that we have to calculate, upon percentage change in price given to me in the question as 5. So if I'll solve it, the percentage change in quantity demanded could be minus 2%. That means the demand for a good will fall by 2%. I hope this question is clear to all of you. That's all for today from my side. Hope you have understood the concept of elasticity of demand and how we calculate it. In the next session, we'll be discussing the factors affecting the price elasticity of demand, and we'll be discussing what are the different types of price elasticity of demand. That's all for today. Thank you all. Thank you very much.